Lahat nga ba pwede mag-apply sa call center? Isa ka ba sa mga nag-iisip kung qualified kang mag-apply sa call center? Baka iniisip mo, may tattoo ako, okay lang ba? Or college undergraduate lang ako, pwede ba ako mag-apply? Hi, I'm Chelsea, one of the sourcing specialists here at Orbit for 5 years now. Let's talk about it. Unang-una, ang call center industry sa Pilipinas ay isa sa pinaka-welcoming at pinaka-inclusive industry. Madaming tinatanggap dito regardless of your background. Pero syempre, may basic qualifications din. Dapat at least 18 years old and above, basic English communication skills, high school graduate or college undergraduate, no problem. May tattoo ka? Kung worried ka dahil may tattoo ka, don't be. Hindi yan issue sa maraming call centers. Karamihan dito open-minded at hindi nagbe-base sa physical appearance. Ang importante, kaya mong gawin ang trabaho mo. Overage? Tanong ng iba, may age limit ba? Good news! Sa call center, as long as kaya mo magtrabaho at pasado ka sa training, walang age limit. Alam mo ba, may mga agents na nasa 40s, 50s na pero super galing pa rin nila. Kung physically fit ka naman at kaya mo ang requirements ng trabaho, welcome na welcome ka. E paano kung pregnant? No worries din. Basta kaya mo yung workload at pasado ka sa medical requirements at fit to work, pwede kang tanggapin. May mga company pa nga na may maternity benefits. Currently enrolled? Pwede pa rin. Pero, depende yan sa schedule mo. Make sure na kaya mong balansehin ang work at studies mo, lalo na kung shifting schedule ang job. Flexibility is the key. And lastly, college undergraduates. Yes, you can apply. Sa totoo lang, marami ng successful sa call center industry kahit hindi nakapagtapos ng college. What matters most are your skills, confidence, and willingness to learn. So, ang bottom line, the call center industry is very inclusive. Ang pinaka-importante ay ang dedication mo sa trabaho, communication skills, at willingness to adapt. Kaya kung isa ka sa mga nagtatanong, try lang ng try. Who knows, baka ito na yung next career mo.